subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new smartphone under A series called Oppo A91 along with the Oppo A8 in China. The Oppo A91 comes featured by a traditional water drop notch style display with thin bezels and a small chin at the bottom. The rear panel of the phone is curved with gradient finish that carries vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top left corner, including a long capsule type LED flash. The power button is located on the right edge, while the volume rockers along with the ejectable SIM card slot is present on the left side. The device is said to weigh around 172 grams with a thickness of 7.9 mm. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A91 supports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.7% screen to body ratio. The smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor which is claimed to unlock the phone in just 0.32 seconds. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek's Helio P70 chipset paired with Mali G72 MP3 GPU, and it also supports Game Boost 2.0 technology for better gaming experience. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage that can also be further expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the quad rear cameras of Oppo A91 includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, there is a 16MP camera at the front with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box based on the top of ColorOS 6.1. The smartphone comes backed by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports VOOC 3.0 flash charging via USB Type-C port, which is claimed to charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A91 has been priced in China for 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 20,000 Indian rupees or $285. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in dark blue, red and sky blue color options, and it will go on sale starting from December 26th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A91 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.